Minecraft server moderation tool. What up, Throw? Staff mode. Okay, staff moderation tools plugins like Staff Plus, Staff Mode X mod offers staff mode, vanish, teleport, freeze, player reporting, ward kick, mute ban, AI chat filtering, AI blah blah blah. Help admins manage behavior. Okay. All right, so that's a plugin. GUI based management. All right, popular plugins. Okay, Staff Plus, Tiznane Ultimate Moderation. How are you, beautiful, Rich? Yeah. Thank you, beautiful throwaway. Channel setup. Okay. r/admincraft. Where to find them? Spigot and Monrun for Java plugins. Okay. All right. So what is that just looking up? You don't need that stuff. No. Yeah. I understand that. I'm looking for. I'm not looking for player moderation. I'm not looking for moderation. I'm looking for management is what I'm looking for. Management, not moderation. There you go. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let me see if I can find modern control panel. So all right. So I need basically I want to. You don't need to right. We'll do that. You right. So I want to be able to enable and disable chats. I don't want to have to. Well, we'll see. If I have a management tool, then well, theoretically, it'll change what's in the config file. But I would like to change these things live without having to. And right, and I can change survival. I can change game mode. We can do all that. But I don't know all these tools. I don't know. I remember I've only played about 5 minutes of Minecraft in my entire life, so I don't know nothing about what what I figured out is what I've learned over the past day. So let's see. Minecraft admin. Management tools. Minecraft management tools. Okay, Crafty controller server panels. For in-game mods, okay, so I don't need that for creation. Realm management tools for Bedrock and Pocket. Okay, all right. Not full survival. You will fail and figure it out. All right, that's what I do. That's what I do. Now you're learning why I call myself I fail first. Realm management tools, crafting controllers, feeder lets you create and run servers, manage players' commands. All right, that sounds cool. What's that do? Controllers free open source model manage users that start administer Minecraft servers from user interface. Run self-hosted web server accessible devices on local network before blah, blah, blah. Crafting controller. Okay. Security. Craft uses password hashing Argon. Okay. Open source. Easy to use. Yeah. Okay. What up? What up, Yogi? What's up, nerds? All right. Let's see. All right. Features lets you create and run servers, manage players, run commands. All right, so that's probably we'll just start with that. Well, let's look at the demo.
Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're discussing Crafty 4 a little bit.
Let me disseminate out some information to you nerds. Hold on, did I squeeze my head? Oh, that's my okay. Oops. Um, to if we continue this server and sometimes that I might not be available, if you guys can log into this and something needs to get done, you can do it through the management tool, and you guys don't have to do whatever. That's what I'm thinking. And if the server needs to be rebooted, it's obviously if Minecraft hangs and it needs to be physically no, you know what I'm saying? It needs to be rebooted from the Linux side. A management tool will allow that. So you can go to the management tool and it will send the reset command to my Linux server to reset the Minecraft server. So it would I'm just thinking ahead because I would prefer to build it on a great foundation. What up, Copiel, brother? I don't know. Another freaking early morning stream. Through Good Friday. I'm trying to make nerds replace the N word. Make nerd replace the N word. What's up, my nerds? Setting up the Kapil. We got the Minecraft server set up. So I'm working on some on.
I want to note before we do get started, we have this file config.json. It's in crafty4/app/config. And before you even get started, you can change your HTTPS port. There is an HTTP server running. It is just for the login screen for when people try and get to the login screen.
Okay.
If they try and get to it via an HTTP connection, it will get redirected to this HTTPS
Right.
connection. Crafty 4 does not
Yeah,
fully
dude.
support
I'm
using it
trying
as
trying to.
HTTP. We did try and leave this.
So Paul is round. Paul is round for a coffee. He's bought a ticket. He's bought a ticket. It's what time is it in the morning now? Bought a ticket. It's beginning to look a lot like syphilis. Thinking about management tools. Okay. So, but they run inside of the Minecraft server, correct? So if Minecraft hangs, yes, I install whatever you told me to install. Lucky Perms, I didn't do that. White Christmas. Right? So I have Core Protect and whatever else you told me to put in there. Lucky Perms you just said today, so I don't that's not in there. But that runs if Minecraft hangs, there's no way for anybody to unhang the server because that is based on that runs inside of Minecraft. I'm talking about something that runs outside of Minecraft. So if it hangs, like I can reach over to my server here, the Linux server, and then reboot the Minecraft server itself without having to reboot the Linux server, right? I can, but if you don't have access to the console, then what do you do, right? what do you do if you don't have access to the console? You can type OP player name all you want, and it ain't gonna do nothing. I already OP'd me. I already OP'd. Right, right. I already have that. That's the very first thing I did, and I gave ND OP status yesterday. So I already did all that. That's not my point. My point is I don't know any of this stuff about teleporting, how it works. I don't even know where to find the X, Y, and Z coordinates. So if I have something that I can see, right? So what I want, I want, I want to be able to see that on my screen, or if I'm out and about and I get a message on Discord saying, "Hey, something's hung up," I want to be able to go to my phone and go and then fix the Minecraft server. I want to be able to manage it when I'm not an arm's length away from it. I'm planning ahead. This is called planning ahead. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right. Yeah. Right. Right.
It's just a little helpful thing for people who may not necessarily know that Crafty 4 runs
Look, Richard, you
HTTPS.
should know by now. The fastest way to learn is just do it.
You can change your ports.
That's what I do. My name is I Fail First because I fail first. I try things and I fail at them, and then I try and fail, and then I succeed. Yeah, that's exactly what.
8443 is our default port. So we'll get Crafty fired up here.
All right, but what does it do? Let's see.
You'll notice
He's using the same servers I am in the background.
Is ready for use, and it will also give us a connection address. That is an IP address up here. That is not actually a named address like in Crafty version 3. So we'll go ahead and navigate to that address there. All right, so now we've navigated to our.
All right, come on, dude. This is 24 minutes. What a trick!
We actually tell you that we had an incorrect username or password. My poor VM. Look at that CPU. Holy cow! All right.
Dude, this dude does not sound confident at all. Yeah, I want to reference. Yeah, fail faster. The server's up and running, Yogi. I'm failing as fast as I can. Yeah, I want a reference list. Absolutely. I want a reference list, but I want to be able to change more than just that. I want to be able to adjust the server also. So if I want to change the render distance, I don't want to have to open up the config file on the server. I would prefer to do it in a UI, in a user interface, and then it make the changes. You know what I mean? But yes, I do want the reference list also. Yeah, and I can get I got that in the. But the thing that I prefer is because it's. Let me see. We'll see. Yeah. Reference. Let's start with a reference list. But I've got plenty of horsepower here that I can. Yeah. Right. So that's why I'm not on a Windows box. I'm on a very secure Linux box. I'm running a firewall. I'm only allowing in the ports in and off the machine. So yeah, it's not bent over and exposing her ports. All right. God runs any Minecraft server that uses a jar file. Some servers are more difficult to set up. When else from Bedrock. Yeah, see, okay. This guy sounds like shit here. This is got replaced, right? The mainline Minecraft server wrapper for Windows. Okay. 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 Uptime, RAM. Okay. Players. Okay. This looks like more what I'm looking for. So you see here, like it could show you my server. It could show you my consoles. I'm sorry. What plugins I've got. I can install plugins through it, and then if a plugin's causing a problem, I can disable the plugin to be able to go through rather than that. That's exactly what I've got right here on the screen. Yeah, yeah. MCS manager. That's it. So this is the Microsoft Server Manager, MCS Manager. That's what this is right here. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Okay, I'll go ahead and install it now. Okay. Earlier this year. Read me. Okay. All right. Thank you for using. If you have any issues, please say okay. More info. Run anyway. Need to change the format. MCS needs to change the format of the process name in the registry. This change required and how it's ready by change now. All right. What do I got running here? Let me shut down. I got Java for it. I got what's called open. All right. Let me see if I got all this other stuff. Let me shut down that Xbox. Quit. That's probably why it looked like I was playing for 4 hours. Ah, you got to be kidding me. All right, that okay. What up, A? What up, OG? They call me the OG. My name's James. What up, Aura Farmer? I remember you being there the other day, I think. All right, set that up and for commands you can check them in the game by typing slash. Yep. Yeah, and so here is why I wanted to go to a wrapper because I've already added all of those other things like not just Virgin Vanilla Vanilla Virgin freaking Minecraft, but I add those other things. So when I do that, I get such a crazy list for all the administration stuff for each um, add-on. Okay, let me see, where am I? Uh-oh. And MC server soft isn't responding. All right, let me close this down. Close the program. Let's see. Bang, bang. Uh, I'm sure I can find one online, throw, but let me see here. Let me see what I'm doing here. All right. Resources. Oh, cancel. Where am I at? Uh-oh. Compressed file folder. There we go. Okay. All right. Now let's see what happened. Anything? Doesn't look like it. Well, something's broken. You woke up and you got to restore. And yeah, I woke up about an hour and a half ago. Yeah, by the way, I forget. Are you in? Okay, yeah. Whenever you're ready. Yes, I just woke up. I woke up about an hour and a half ago. And then I was asleep. Yeah. Yes, Chi. Hello, Giant. Yeah, we're working on it, Chi. We got it happen. We're making it work. All right, why ain't this running here? Okay, that doesn't seem to work. All right, class program. All right, so I'm gonna delete that. Delete, delete. Delete. All right, and then we're gonna go to Minecraft Management Tool Server. Okay. Okay, Windows. All right, I downloaded the wrong thing. All right, done. Run. Done and run. Let me see your bun. All right, let's do this here. Windows, release. Did I already extract it? Daemon, start. Holy crap. I can't imagine these things needing to be this big. Like, I used to write server tools that were like 10, 15K, not 10 megabytes. I don't think people understand how crazy this is. 20%. Let's see what's going on
Heck.
here. That's so crazy. 91% CPU. That's crazy too. Oh, 62. Okay. OBS. Okay. Done. Okay. By the way, you can also use. I looked at pterodactyl was the first thing I looked at. Throw. Um, that's what I was looking at after I told you on Discord that I'd be on while I was making coffee. I was looking at pterodactyl. But yeah, either one. I'm installing MCS Manager right now because the other one wasn't MCS Manager. The other one was MCS. I can't software, which is apparently MCS just stands for Minecraft Server. But yeah, so I can't believe there's 14,000 files in a manager. Okay, so let's say daemon app. Oh, cancel. What the fuck? Node app. Okay, Node for JS. Okay. All right, let's go back. So there's the daemon. There's the web version. There's the app. Okay. All right. Okay. Connection to servers, documentation, dependencies, installation script. Windows. Just download zip, execute, start with that, or run with that. Okay, launcher.exe. You can use it in the panel. Okay, launcher.exe. What else? Launcher.exe. I don't even see launcher.exe. Start bat or run bat, etc. Start bat. Okay, there we go. All right, allow. All right, now I got it running. Okay. I gotta change a couple things in firewall. Okay, localhost. There we go. All right, you guys see that or not? Let me see if you guys can see that. Okay, all right. So now we're running here in English. Usernames, create administrator account. Create administrator account. Okay, let's go back to here. Oops. Okay. Okay. Okay, create instance. More important. Oh, it'll create instances. Okay, create a Docker. Create directly. Create instance. Okay, create for it. All right. Automatically create an instance. Uploading this. Okay. Control whale. Then you select it. General on look. Okay, support any language the same as possible. Okay, okay, all right. So I have to create this on my other machine. Yeah, yeah, throw. Yeah, I know it. Hold on, let me see. Man, we just need to point you in the right direction. You will do all that. That's what I try to do. That's what I try to do. Like when everything in life, this is how I do it. If I break my arm, if somebody breaks their arm and somebody says apply pressure, I say, okay, apply pressure. But why did I apply pressure? Well, let's find out what applying pressure did. Blah, 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 and I break everything down. I think that's why I've got the knowledge base I have. So like everything that I do or somebody tells me to do, I want to see why it will work, why it won't work, or if there's better ways to do it. So I appreciate everybody lighting the fuse for me, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, and the thing is, I'm I'm running the community, so I want you guys to see me do what I would like want you to do also in things that you lead in your lives, especially for kids to see. Server template market, okay. All right, this stuff's a whack. You know what I mean? Yeah, brother, you got me. You got me. You got me. Okay. MCS manager. Let's see what we got going on here. Instance market overview users, daemons. All right. Okay. User operation, new users. Okay. Okay. Cool. So how can I connect? Okay. So I have to install this. I have to install this on the Linux server, and then that will connect and make a website basically on the Linux server that we can connect to anywhere else in the world. So then, if something's broke, this will be running separate from Minecraft, but communicates with Minecraft. So if it freezes or whatever, and you can go through and see if something's hung up. If it says Terra, the Terra, not terracotta, what was it called? Terra Cryptic. I already forgot what it was called. But if that's locked up or whatever, we can just turn that plug-in off to see if that was the problem, and people can still, even though that would be pretty bad. But yeah, yeah, pointing me in the right directions. All that's it. All you need to do. And the thing is, it's like so I sandbox my network system, so I can rush through things. People can say go to downloadmalware.com, and I can go to it and download it. And then if it's malware, I can just trash the sandbox and pop up a new instance. So I don't mind. I get I think the most important thing for people to learn is learn how to learn. So hey, how do I'm going to school. How do I protect myself? Well, if in America you need a freaking firearm, obviously, right? Just kidding. But yeah, learn how to learn. Okay, I fail first. There's me. Actions, resources. Okay, cool, cool. So this is what I was talking about. Okay, so this allows me to set users uh, allow to use the API key if they're allowed to use the API key or not, and then their roles on the inside. Okay, so let's go here. So username. Okay, actions, resource assignment. Okay, and I can assign some here. Assign manage remote daemon. This is what I want. Manage remote daemon. All right. Okay, save remote daemon instances. Okay. Okay, create a Docker image, create directly. Server template market. Why this? I wonder why this isn't seeing. And of course, we got some advertisements. I can give it to you right now. Throwaway view. I can see it on the server. Um, oops. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. So you have to be on the server actively in order for me to give it. It looks like. Yeah, yeah, I've got that. So I just tried to give it to you, and it said the server. It said the user does not exist. Yeah, and I just tried to give ND it also because he's not online either. So it says does not exist either. So you have to be online. What up, Chevy? We got the Minecraft server up and running. Um, so yeah, if you want to log in, throw. I'll give it to you real quick. I know you spelled it wrong. I've got it. When you log on to the server, I can just type in uh, player. I think it is. I know. I type in list and it lists the current players. And right now it says there's 0 of 20 online, and then I can your player name right there. But you have to be online at the time to get it. It won't allow me to add a an operator if you're not online. So as soon as you log on next time, well, it's midnight, so I can't get on my PS5. That's all right, Chevy. It's midnight. Where are you? Where do you live? Midnight. That's 7 hours ago. Okay. Yeah. I'm looking at once you pop on, I'll hand it right off to you. It's not midnight in Missouri. It's 4 a.m. or 3 a.m., 5 a.m. in Missouri. Midnight is 12 p.m. 12 midnight. Let's see. What time is midnight? Maybe I got 12 a.m. What time is midnight? 12 a.m. Yeah, I said 12 p.m. 12 a.m. is midnight. Yeah, 6:17, right. 12 a.m. If the clock 11:59 p.m. is and then the very 1 minute after 11:59 p.m. is 12 a.m. That's midnight. Okay. I don't know my times. That's all right, Chevy. We're here to learn, brother. Welcome to 110th grade. I'll help you out. It'd be better to say it's the middle of the night because it's still that. So that's different too, and that's why it's hard to learn. I understand, but you'll get there, brother. Right? That's all right. You can get on it later. It'll be up. It's going to be up 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm just getting it set up now. All right, give me a second. They're my shoes. What up, or? Dude, don't worry about donating, brother. That's okay. When you get a job in a couple of years, throw me. You can buy me a coffee. What's up, or? Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see. All right. So that's the market. Users. Demons. All right. Online and status. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yes. You can join the Moncast server. Absolutely. Or do you know how to do you know how to do that using the IP address? Here, I'll send it to you on the what either one. I got both of them. Java's faster, but I have Bedrock and Java. So I'll send you the Java's what I would recommend. That's what I ran, Java. If you use Java, you're in. Okay. All right. Yeah, I see you. I see you. I see you. All right. There you go. You're up now. Throw. All right. Let's see. Okay. Do you have a dog? I have a cat, and my cat's still asleep right now. But yeah, I'll show you my cat later, Chevy. I just sent it to you in Discord. Kita, the kita, the kit. I just sent it to you in Discord. Or Geyser cannot reply to client bound hello packet without profile and access token. Is Floodgate set up correctly? Probably not. Let's see. Let's see. Set up Floodgate for Java connections. Okay. Okay. You will him join him? What? Okay, hold on. Okay, Floodgate got disconnected from the skin uploader. Failed to give him code combination with the verified code. Okay, throwaway game. Logged in. Got disconnected from the skin uploader. Invalid chain or client data. Got disconnected from the skin uploader. Failed to find the given code and combination. That's all right, Chevy. This is only going to be a short stream to get the Minecraft server set up. But yeah, charge your phone, brother. We'll be on all day. You can't see the multiplayer button. It's right next to You probably went too far. It's on the very first screen of when you open Minecraft. Minecraft multiplayer button location. It's right here. Let me show you. Okay, Chevy. All right, stay on till your phone's dead. All right, so or do you see this on the screen here? This is what it looks like right here. So it should say single player, multiplayer, Minecraft Realms. Yeah, just like that. Throwaway drowned. I am. Let's see. Do you see it? It's on the main screen. Yeah. Like this, I guess, is the main screen here. I know it's hard to see, but yeah. And so I can figure all that stuff out later. And the thing, yeah, we got to figure something else about that too. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can figure this out. Okay. Oh, okay. We're adding demons to this panel. Global JSON. I found a charger, so I'm good. You stay on the rest of my life. That's funny. Uh, uh, all right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. So I need to. Okay. Let me do an RDP. RDP from Windows 11 to Ubuntu. Okay. Okay. So let me do system setting. Okay. Okay. What up, Gizu? What up? But you don't have to. But I don't have to. I'll be around. Right? What am I doing? It says right. It says the name and server address. So the yeah, if you're using Java or look on your Discord. I sent everything. I sent it. I already sent it. And the name is 110th grade. Let me say it's 110th grade. You can put anything you want, but it's 110th grade. That okay, and then you have the IP address and the port. All of this is just to let anybody else know. All of it's in the Discord server. If you go under Minecraft in the 110th grade server, go under Minecraft, and it'll get you all the step by steps. All right, all right, bang, bang. Let's see. Probably won't. Okay. Whatever. Break it. That's all right. Bye 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 baby. Bye bye bye. Yeah, go lay down, brother. Go lay down for a bit. Once I get this done, I'm about okay. There you go. What do we got? Are you STF01? Yep, I see you. I see you. There you go. Or yep, I see you. STF01. Yep, I can see you. Okay, you're in. Oh, there you go. Hey, there you go. Throw. Throw just went to say hello to you. It looks like. No, I just got back online about 1 hour ago. I went to sleep, Yvonne. All right. All right. So we're live now. Okay. All right, let's do this. Let's do Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's do. All right, let's do Chrome Remote Desktop. Okay. To be remote. Okay. Okay. Am I confused about something? What's going on? Hold on. I'm trying to set up. I don't know if you're talking. You can if I'm if I'm live, don't call me. But if you have something you need to talk about, just text me on Discord, and if we need to make a call, we'll set it up there. But yeah, just text first. Don't just call first. But that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Let me see. Okay. All right. I'm gonna change this back. All right. Ah, did it again. Okay. Yeah, that can go away. I'm gonna trash that damn thing. Not the passkey. What the hell? That shouldn't be a problem either. This can go away too. All right, that's fine. The mountains look beautiful. Yeah, so that's that terra forma thing that ND was talking about. Um, so or he's flying because he's an administrator on the server, so he's got to be able to fly around and make sure people aren't doing anything bad. All right, let me see. Let me do this. All right, let's see. Dang it. Where am I at? Let me see. Zero. That's crazy. All right, whatever. Um, yeah. Yes, throws flying. Yeah, he can fly. If you're an administrator, you can fly. Okay, let's see. Ensure you trust. All right, let's see. You're trying to ask a kid to good luck with that. Bro, can you please give me a bed? Jeez. That's why you shouldn't be a moderator, Throw. That's just messing with you. Can you give me a bed? I give everybody anything they want. That's what I say. Let's get the world populated. Where am I at? Okay. Am I installing? Okay. All right. No. Where's my phone network? How? Well, oh, jeez. That's such a pain in the neck. This is such a pain in the butt cheeks. Yeah, it's up and running right now. I'm setting up remote desktop right now, G. I don't know, or you have to ask him. I don't even know what Deep Slate is. And Deep Slate. I have no idea, my friend, or I have no idea. No idea. I don't even know what it is. I'm still learning it. Yeah, it's up and running. He's on it. They're flying around the server. They're doing all kinds of good stuff. So I'm trying to get the rest of the administration part done so that I can access the server. Like if the server crashes and I'm away from the house, I can reboot it from my phone. Stuff like that. Administration. If somebody gets mad, yeah, that's right. Finally, make it happen. I will give him whatever he wants for an equal trade. Whatever she wants. All right, where am I at? Okay, I need to go to Gico Kurt Headless. All right, already done. Done. In the remote computer. Okay. This is such a pain in the ass. Wackadoodle too. Yes, yes, yes. He's pronounced he's from now on. It's normal stones as good as its deep slate is to you. Okay, alright, let's see. I got no idea what's going on here. I gotta learn all these different pieces, parts, what the different blocks are. Okay, Debian, okay. Okay, set. You're nearly finished. Run the command on the following remote computer. Please. This is gonna piss me off. This guy, this is so crazy to me. Alright, open the center page in 300. Alright. Wow, I'm gonna get so. Oh my god. This is gonna drive me so crazy. It's gonna drive me so crazy. Remote. Oh, yeah. That's so nuts. Remote access. He said, my deep slate is Blackstone. No, I'm a guy, bro. I thought your cat was a girl. Sorry. Deep slate is Blackstone. No, I'm a guy, bro. Alright, let's see. Where am I at? Alright, so let's install this. Okay, let's do breakfast and get everything ready, get the house ready and the property ready, make sure my chickens are alive, and then we're going to then I'm going to I'll be streaming again. So probably it'll definitely be a few hours. I'm guessing noon my time, which is 4 hours. If I get everything taken care of sooner, I'll jump on sooner, and I'll get back and I'll jump into the Minecraft server. If anybody else wants to check out the Minecraft server, check out the Discord, and we'll see you guys there. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye bye. I love you guys. Appreciate you coming in. Bye bye.